I found you. Yeah, you thought you could just hide from me, huh?
How you know I was right there?
Well, I felt it.
I was trying to hide from you.
What you just doing, though?
Nothing hiding from you.
Hiding from me? Dang, that's messed up. Let's go over here, y'all. Look at these, though. Them boys look nice. Huh?
Get one, but don't pick all the flowers off the bushes, okay?
It's gone.
It's gone. Look at all your hair, girl.
It's gone.
Oh, no, look at all your hair, girl. Look at that hair.
My nose.
It went in your nose. Yo, it still feels good outside.
Yeah, it feels nice.
Really, really good. I don't know what time it is. I don't have my phone. But I know it's probably like 2 or something now.
Yeah.
But yeah, we've been having a good day here, guys. Huh?
My finger hurts. Come here. My finger hurts.
Yeah, tell me so you quite had pointy things. So you gotta do
I hope you guys are doing well and protecting your spirit as much as possible. Always try to gain as much as possible as well. Just keep on being you and always follow your truth and your dedication and just keep on moving every day. Keep on moving, keep on moving. What? Let me see. Oh my goodness. Yeah. What that baby doing now?
Baby getting hungry again.
Just getting hungry.
Mama, I got you one.
Thank you. Oh, she got me a leaf. Oh, she got me a flower in the leaf. Okay. Thank you so much, Nah. Okay, y'all. I got this pimple patch on my face. I don't know if y'all remember that big old pimple, but hopefully it's going away.
Hi, Mama. I got you one.
Oh,
Oh my goodness.
Bow.
it's okay. I still got it. Right here. Put it right inside, okay? Thank you, Mama. Look, go put it in the house.
Okay.
They love their flowers, y'all. But
Yeah.
yeah, hopefully you guys having a motivational day. Always get y'all's day started with positivity and a good goal for that week. Make sure you put out a goal for that week, you guys. Keep y'all's goals going as well. Never give up. You give up,
Can you hold this for me? Because I want to.
things might not go as planned. So always hold that strength and keep that positivity flowing, y'all. Huh? What? You put it on Dad's table? Here I come. What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? It is a Wednesday. It is 7:55, almost 8 o'clock, you guys, and we are chilling. We just had a nice dinner. We have potatoes, sloppy joe, and corn with some cheese, y'all. It was so good. Now I'm just sipping on pop and preparing myself for the next 4 months. I'm getting back into position of getting ready to go back in labor because obviously I know how it's gonna feel, and yeah. I'm just getting prepared all over again. But yeah, y'all, look at this nature. I hear a cat. Look, beautiful. But yeah, y'all, so we're just chilling. We got
What's up, y'all?
Zay
Hope you guys
cut.
are having a fantastic day,
yeah, y'all, it's beautiful. It's beautiful, you guys. And yeah, I left them earlier, y'all. I left them. I left Zay when he was sleeping, and the girls was just chilling.
And he was crying all on the text, telling me, I want to be here. I want to be here. I want to be here.
Yeah, cause like when I go places and I know I'm gonna be going all day, and like Zay's not with me, it makes me feel like we've been apart for so long. Only though we've been apart for like a few hours. Like I start to miss Zay like instantly, y'all. Like I could leave and an hour later, I miss you already, cause like it's just like the connection we have together. It's just like I don't like being away from him. But yeah, how's your night going?
It's going. Oh, it's going good. Sorry, y'all.
My night's going wonderful too, you guys.
The nature been blooming, but it been raining. It's been raining a lot.
It's been raining since this morning, you guys. When I first woke up, we went outside to get ready to take the kids to school, and it was definitely
Pause it. Hold
wet.
on, we'll be back, y'all.
Hold on, y'all. All right, y'all. Welcome back.
Yeah.
We had a little issue going on, but it's fixed. Anyways, like I said, we're just chilling.
Yeah, I'm just having an amazing day. She enjoying her
Drinking
pop.
my pop, y'all. Okay.
I'm enjoying this water. I know y'all probably can't see it, but I got water in here. Always drink y'all water.
It's almost 8 o'clock.
Be right back.
Anyways, y'all, I'm back again. Sorry for the cut. Welcome.
Welcome, guys. I gotta take this pamper out, you guys.
But yeah, y'all. So, anyways, they're potty training. So we had to pause the phone because Nora said she needed to use it, and yeah. So we had to do a little cleanup. But y'all look at Zay looking like an Oompa Loompa.
Welcome, guys.
You like an Oompa Loompa. I'm just playing, babe. Baby, come back. Baby, come back. Baby, come back. Yeah, so, y'all, he's back. But yeah.
But I hope you guys enjoyed this video so far. We'll be guys with another video.
Soon.
Peace.
Cheese.